Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into the features of two popular dash cams, the REDTIGER Dash Cam F7NP and the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K. The REDTIGER model boasts impressive 4K recording capabilities, built-in GPS, and advanced night vision, making it a top choice for serious drivers. On the other hand, the Avilet offers a budget-friendly option with 2K recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, and essential features for everyday use. Join us as we explore their differences and similarities to find out which dash cam reigns supreme. When it comes to video quality, the REDTIGER Dash Cam F7NP stands out with its 4K front recording and 1080p rear recording capabilities. This ensures that every detail is captured in stunning clarity, making it ideal for those who want high-definition footage of their journeys. In contrast, the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K offers 2K front recording, which, while still impressive, does not match the level of detail provided by the REDTIGER. If video quality is your top priority, the REDTIGER is the clear winner. GPS functionality is another critical aspect to consider. The REDTIGER Dash Cam F7NP comes with built-in GPS, allowing for precise location tracking and easy access to your driving routes. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to keep a record of their travels. On the other hand, the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K supports an optional external GPS module, which means you'll need to purchase it separately if you want GPS capabilities. For convenience and ease of use, the built-in GPS of the REDTIGER is a significant advantage. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase decision. The REDTIGER Dash Cam F7NP is priced at $199, reflecting its premium features and high-quality performance. In contrast, the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is a budget-friendly option at just $59. While it may lack some advanced features, it still offers essential functionalities for everyday use. If you're looking for a reliable dash cam without breaking the bank, the Avilet could be the right choice for you. In conclusion, both the REDTIGER Dash Cam F7NP and the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K have their strengths and weaknesses. The REDTIGER excels in video quality and built-in GPS functionality, making it ideal for those who prioritize high performance. Meanwhile, the Avilet offers a more affordable option with essential features for everyday use. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.